Are you looking for professional PDF editing services? Have you lost the font, layout, or background of your file while working with a simple online editor? Solution: we offer premium PDF editing services. Not an automated tool, we manually edit every pixel using Adobe Photoshop and Acrobat. The original font, watermark, paper texture, and metadata of the document will remain intact. No one will be able to catch the edit even if you zoom or print. Call to action: knock us today to edit invoices, utility bills, or any official PDF perfectly. Watch the live demo. Pay only if you like it. Premium PDF editing services. 100% invisible and professional. Do you need to edit an important PDF or scan document? Skip the clap work of simple AI or online tools. Give your documents a completely original look with our professional PDF editing services. Our service features: pixel-perfect accuracy. Original fonts, colors, and alignment are exactly matched. Undetectable edits. No damage to background textures or security watermarks. Metadata safe. No loss of metadata or quality within the file. Express delivery. Delivery within just 30 minutes to 2 hours for urgent needs. What we edit: invoices, bank statements, pay stubs, utility bills, rental agreements, etc. Special note: government ID, driving license, or passport are not edited. Contact now to view free live demo and order. WhatsApp: +8801788716077. Website: tuner.com.